This tutorial provides instructions on how to search the Personal Property Securities Register, or the PPSR. After completing this tutorial, you should understand the purpose of the PPSR search functionality and be able to perform a search. There are a number of different search types available in the register. The PPSR allows the following search types: by serial number, by grantor, by registration number, or an ordinal search which compares two registration events. For serial number searches, you can search by motor vehicle and watercraft serial numbers, or other serial numbers such as aircraft or intellectual property. For grantor searches, you can search by individual grantor or an organisation grantor. In this tutorial, we will be searching for a motor vehicle by its Vehicle Identification Number, or VIN. Performing a search is one of the key functions of the PPSR. A potential buyer or financier may want to perform a search to check whether certain items of personal property have a security interest registered against them. Only current registrations will be displayed when you search the PPSR by serial number, such as a car's VIN, or grantor's details such as a name or corporate identifier. The following section will provide a demonstration on searching for a motor vehicle using the PPSR. From the PPSR homepage, move your mouse over the PPSR Search tab. This will open a menu containing the different search types. Some search types may contain additional options which will appear when you hold the mouse over them. For example, hold the mouse over Search by Serial Number and then select Search for Motor Vehicle. This will open the Search for Motor Vehicle page, where you can enter the relevant search criteria. Depending on the type of search, the fields displayed may vary. Scroll down or press the page down key. For a motor vehicle search by Vehicle Identification Number, select VIN and then enter the vehicle identification number in the adjacent field. A vehicle identification number must be 17 characters in length, not including white space and punctuation. Some older vehicles may have a vehicle identification number of less than 17 characters. If this is the case, you should enter the vehicle identification number in the chassis number field. Scroll down or press the page down key. Once the search criteria have been entered, click the Next button to continue. Where applicable, the Payment Details screen will be displayed. Scroll down or press the page down key. As a casual user, you will need to enroll your credit card to make a payment. Credit card details are only stored for a single session. Click the Enroll button. This will open BPoint. BPoint allows you to securely enter your credit card details. Enter your credit card details in the fields provided. Then click the Submit button. If the credit card was registered correctly, a confirmation message will be displayed. Scroll down or press the page down key. Click the Close button to return to the payment page. Enter an email address here if you would like to be emailed an invoice or receipt. Once a credit card has been set up using BPoint, click the Pay Now button to continue. This will open the search result page. The search result page will display information on any registration retrieved by the search. You can access the search result free for a period of 24 hours from the time of the initial search. The system will not perform a new search if you retrieve the search result. Scroll down or press the page down key. Clicking on Search Details will display details for the current search, including the search number and a link to a receipt. You can use the unique search number to retrieve the search result at a later stage. The search result is also displayed. Clicking on any displayed registration number link will provide details of that registration. Scroll down or press the page down key. For a motor vehicle search using the Vehicle Identification Number or chassis number, the PPSR accesses the National Exchange of Vehicle and Driver Information System, or NEVDIS. Click on Additional NEVDIS Information. Scroll down or press the page down key. NEVDIS will check for a match for the search criteria you have entered against the type of serial number you have provided. Details that can be returned by NEVDIS include a description of the vehicle, registration plate details, and whether the vehicle has been reported as stolen or written off. If you would like full details of the search result, you can download them by clicking on Download Result. You can also ask for the search results to be mailed to you by clicking on Mail Search Result. If you need formal proof of the information provided in the search result for a court or tribunal, you can download a search certificate. You can then save it or print it. For this example, we will click on Issue Search Certificate. Scroll down or press the page down key. To download the search certificate, click the Download PPSR Search Certificate link. This will open the File Download panel. Click the Save button to download the PDF document. Select where you would like to save the file on your computer. Then click the Save button. The search certificate will contain the results of the search, along with the search certificate number and search number. All the information from NEVDIS is included on the search certificate. If the search is retrieved at a later date, the search results displayed will be identical and will not display any new or updated records. This concludes the simulation. Use the replay button if you would like to watch the simulation again, or use the next button to continue. This tutorial should have helped you to understand the purpose of the PPSR search functionality and understand how to make a successful search. Additional information about the Personal Property Securities Register can be found on the PPSR website.